What's the meaning of bung? Bung. Bung.
Bung. Bung. The word bung has a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can refer to a stopper or plug, typically used to seal the opening of a barrel or other container. In this sense, the result of using a bung is that it prevents any contents from leaking out or being exposed to the air. Bung can also be used as a verb, meaning to close up or seal with a bung. For example, a person might say they need to bung up a hole in a wall to keep out the cold air. Overall, the use of a bung typically results in creating a seal or closure.